Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Durango tire, only ways. Loosen the lug nuts a half turn before lifting. Position the jack under the reinforced frame point and lift until the tire clears. Remove all lug nuts and take off the flat. Mount the spare evenly, hand tighten the lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended specification. Always work on level ground and engage the parking brake to prevent movement. Use wheel chocks on the opposite side and wear gloves for grip and protection. Verify the spare tire pressure before mounting and carry a torque wrench to meet lug specification. If the jack feels unstable, lower and reposition it at the correct lift point. After driving a short distance, recheck lug torque and tire pressure to ensure safety and longevity. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during roadside fixes and check out the Oala water bottle shown here for easy sipping while you work. I find it fits cup holders and keeps water cool during long jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening lug nuts while the vehicle is still on the ground to prevent wheel spin. Avoid using only the scissor jack for long repairs. Get a stable floor jack when possible. Keep the vehicle manual or door placard handy for correct torque values and jack points. Replace the spare with a full-size tire promptly and inspect the removed tire for punctures, sidewall damage, or slow leaks before deciding the repair method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.